Today in this video, we are going to learn about the hidden history of electricity and the amazing exhibits at the Amberley Museum. In the second part, we are going to learn about these. Introduction. Welcome back to the hidden history of electricity, amazing exhibits at Amberley Museum, Part 2. In this episode, we continue our exploration of historic electrical equipment, power systems, and communication technologies that shaped the 20th century. Each exhibit tells a unique story of human creativity and technological progress. '31. Early telephone switchboard, year 1880 to 1900. Manual switchboards connected telephone calls before automatic exchanges. Operators physically linked subscribers using patch cords. 32. Electrical control cabinet, year 1900 to 1920. Early electrical distribution systems relied on large control panels. They regulated power flow for industries and public utilities. 33. Telegraph and communication display, year 1870 to 1890. Telegraph systems enabled near-instant long-distance communication. They transformed business, journalism, and transportation. 34. Mass production instrument panel, year 1910 to 1930. Industrial instrumentation helped factories monitor production. Such systems improved efficiency and quality control. 35. Precision timekeeping collection, year 1850 to 1920. Accurate clocks were essential for railways, navigation, and science. Advances in mechanics greatly improved precision. 36. Electrical components exhibit, year 1890 to 1920. Early electrical systems used switches, relays, and connectors. These parts formed the foundation of modern electronics. 37. Fuse and circuit protection board, year 1900 to 1930. Fuses protected equipment from overloads and short circuits. They were among the earliest electrical safety devices. 38. Domestic electrification display, year 1910 to 1940. Household electricity brought lighting and appliances into homes. It dramatically changed daily life and labor. 39. Electric workshop reconstruction, year 1900 to 1930. Workshops assembled and repaired electrical equipment. Skilled technicians supported the growth of electrified industries. 40. Executive office with electrical equipment, year 1920 to 1940. Businesses adopted electric lighting and communication tools. Offices became more productive and connected. 41. Early laboratory equipment, year 1880 to 1910. Scientific laboratories experimented with electricity and magnetism. Their discoveries led to major technological advances. 42. Early washing machine, year 1920 to 1940. Electric washing machines reduced household labor. They became one of the most influential domestic appliances. 43. Communications control room, year 1920 to 1950. Control rooms coordinated electrical and communication networks. Operators monitored equipment and system performance. 44. Power generation model, year 1900 to 1930. Generating stations supplied electricity to cities and industries. Larger plants made widespread electrification possible. 45. Technology development timeline, year 1880 to 1950. Historical displays document the evolution of electrical innovation. They show how inventions built upon one another. 46. Measuring instruments collection, year 1900 to 1930. Voltmeters, ammeters, and gauges allowed engineers to measure electricity accurately. These instruments improved reliability and safety. 47. Historical Study Room, year 1920 to 1940. Offices and study spaces reflected the growing role of technology in administration and research. Electrical conveniences became standard. 48. Master Clock Exhibit, year 1880 to 1920. Master clocks synchronized other clocks across buildings and institutions. They were crucial for coordinated operations. 49. Patent and Innovation Display, year 1900 to 1950. Patents protected inventors and encouraged technological progress. Many electrical breakthroughs originated from such innovations. 50. Early Radio Laboratory, year 1920 to 1940. Radio technology revolutionized communication and broadcasting. It connected people across vast distances. 51. 1960s Home Appliances, year 1960s. Consumer appliances became more affordable and efficient. They reflected the rapid modernization of everyday life. 52. Industrial Machine Demonstration, year 1930 to 1950. Large industrial machines increased manufacturing output. Electrification enabled greater automation and precision. 53. Mid-century laundry equipment, year 1950 to 1970. Post-war appliance growth transformed household work. Manufacturers emphasized convenience and reliability. 54. Educational Technology Display, year 1960 to 1980. Schools and museums used interactive technology to explain scientific principles. Public understanding of technology expanded. 55. Early Computing Mechanical Device, year 1930 to 1950. Mechanical and electromechanical systems paved the way for modern computers. They automated calculations and control processes. 56. Electrical Transformer Model, year 1900 to 1930. Transformers allowed efficient transmission of electrical power. They remain a cornerstone of modern power grids. 57. High Voltage Equipment Exhibit, year 1920 to 1950. High voltage technology enabled long-distance electricity distribution. It supported expanding regional power networks. 58. Industrial Transformer Unit, year 1940 to 1970. Heavy-duty transformers converted voltage levels for industry. They improved efficiency in large-scale operations. 59. Power Distribution Cabinet, year 1930 to 1960. Distribution cabinets controlled and protected electrical circuits. They were essential for safe power delivery. 60. Electrical Engineering Workshop, year 1920 to 1950. Workshops trained technicians and supported equipment maintenance. They played a vital role in the growth of electrical infrastructure. Conclusion. Our journey through Amberley Museum's electrical exhibits highlights the extraordinary advances that connected homes, industries, and communities. These preserved artifacts remind us how rapidly technology has evolved over the last century. Thank you for joining this exploration of electrical history, and stay tuned for more fascinating discoveries from museums around the world.
These videos are not only for the current generation. They are a humble effort to preserve knowledge, history, science, and human achievements for future generations. Thank you to everyone who supports and encourages this journey of building a digital library of learning for tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the LSKSM Vlogs channel, like, comment, and share it to help pass on knowledge to future generations. Your support and encouragement mean a lot to us. G. Sobhanadri Rao, LSKSM Vlogs.